Stocks extend gains after Fed minutes. Can Nvidia reverse its slide? Stocks extended gains Wednesday after the Fed released minutes from its December meeting. Nike, NKE, led Dow winners, while Nvidia, recovered some lost ground. The Nasdaq rose 0.9%, the S&P 500 added 0.6% and the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 0.3%. Volume was lighter across the board versus the same time Tuesday. Fed officials backed a gradual pace of rate hikes despite higher risks to their economic growth forecasts as a result of prospects for more expansionary fiscal policies in coming years. Automakers, shoe and apparel retailers and medical plays outperformed in the stock market today. Winners swamped losers by more than 5-1 on the NYSE and about 4-1 on the Nasdaq. Automakers cruised ahead with Ford, General Motors, GM, and Tesla Motors, TSLA, each rising more than 4% in fast turnover. Ford and GM reported better than expected U.S. sales in December. Tesla late Tuesday reported fewer than expected U.S. deliveries last year. Guggenheim began covering the electric car maker with a buy rating Wednesday, according to CNBC. Nike extended Tuesday's gain with a 2% advance as the stock tries to distance itself from its early November lows. Jefferies on Tuesday named the athletic shoemaker its best new idea for 2017 and reiterated a buy rating and 75 price target. Nvidia slightly pared gains ahead of a keynote speech by CEO Jensen Huang this evening at CES in Las Vegas. Shares were up more than 2% after rising more than 3% early Wednesday. Citigroup raised its price target on the chipmaker to $120 from $110, citing potentially strong sales to automotive customers. The stock is trying to find its footing amid a spate of volatility. It ran up as much as 262% from a mid-March breakout from a 33.16 cup with handle buy point to its December 28 intraday high. That day, Nvidia rose 2% before reversing sharply lower for a 7% loss. Nvidia shares sank more than 4% Tuesday, while the Nasdaq rose 0.9%. Nvidia is 12% below its peak. Stocks need time to digest gains after a strong advance, so Nvidia could be pausing to catch its breath. It may still be a leading stock, but waiting for a proper buy point is always a sound strategy. As noted in a recent Stock Market Today column, the graphics processor maker staged a climax run, a key sell signal when the market is in bubble-type conditions. On the IBD 50, Arista Networks, AANET, restaurant, arcade chain operator Dave & Buster's, PLAY, and wood alternative lumber maker Trex, TREX, led with 3% or higher gains. Arista is at an all-time high, Dave & Buster's is on track for a new closing high, and Trex is closing in on a 72.31 flat base buy point.